woods, pick out my best hat. Going to a place called the Old Briar Patch. Gonna get loose and I'm gonna have fun. Gonna go hunting, but I won't need a gun now.
4 for 4. When they ain't flying, you better be able to hit them. And they ain't flying. Well, I jinxed myself. I got one more, but I shot at him 3 times. So there goes my perfect streak. It's over with. Now I gotta go find this little dude. I need a bird dog. Oh, there he is. Here's a lesson. Don't brag about your shooting. I did get him, but I missed 2 chip shots and then hit him on a lucky Hail Mary. 6. Number 7 is on the ground. He was a 1 shot. I think he's wounded, so it's not quite a kill yet. See if we can find him. It's kind of crazy. They're not flying bad, and they're yeah. Not really in around grain. I mean, this is just pasture. It's just a flyway that we've always had decent luck at. All right, let me see if I can find this dude. This looks like it's gonna be fun in those broom weeds. And number 7. There he is. How about that hunting rig? Yep, you don't need chairs, you don't need all that mess. Just sit in the back of your gator. Wait for the birdies. Maybe it's just me. These freaking dragonflies look just like dove. I've almost killed 5 or 6 dragonflies. I have no clue what they taste like. I'm sure they're good with bacon, you know, wrapped around them, a little jalapeno, but they're delicious. I mean, I'm 41, and I've been dove hunting since I was 7. And I can tell you right now, every now, one will catch you just right, and it looks like a dove coming in. If you can deny that, you're a dirty liar. Ended up with 8 tonight. Rosie, she's sitting here waiting for the hearts. She loves those. Her good girl. Yeah, she's waiting for the hearts. Not a bad night. Where that? Get him. Where that? Get him. Where that? She's very brave. What do you think, Rose? Well, fruits of our labor. 8 dove. I'll throw these in with the rest of the beef and pork. Might go get them tomorrow night. Look, I got a buck in my yard.